Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today, date is 24 December 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 19 towards independence. So, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So after completing the book exercises of the chapter student, we have completed the short question answer of the chapter, that is who gave the this famous slogan, give me blood and I will give you freedom. So first three question, what did Gandhiji do when he came back to India? And next question, when did Gandhiji launch the non-cooperation movement? So we have completed this question answer in our classwork copy. Now after that we started long answer question, and first question, what happened at Jallianwala Bagh, we have completed in our classwork copy. Now student, all of you take out your classwork copy and open page number 114. We will start with question number 2, and the question is, when did the British government agree to leave India? When did the British government agree to leave India? So now student, so in 1942 Gandhiji launched a new movement, and the name of the movement was Quit India Movement. So he asked people to do or die, means karo ya maro. Okay, in their attempt to throw the British out of the country. So in this Quit India movement, many leaders आर प्रिजन एट दैट टाइम. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट जो हुई थी बेटा, बहुत से लीडर को जेल में डाल दिया गया था. ठीक है, और बहुत से जगह पे पब्लिक को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ब्रिटिश पीपल बहुत सीधे थे, वो बोलते कि आइए वी आर गोइंग एंड यू स्टार्ट रूलिंग द कंट्री. तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल हुई थी, मैनी पीपल सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ, बहुत से लोग इसमें मर भी गए थे. ठीक है, बहुत से लोगों की इसमें जान भी चली गई थी. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि ब्रिटिश पीपल दे इजली गिव अप आवर कंट्री इन आवर हैंड्स. सो मैनी लीडर्स, political leader, they are arrested and they are put into the jail. Okay, but जो the leaders which are outside, they continue this movement. लेकिन जो लीडर थे आउटसाइड, उन्होंने इस मूवमेंट को क्या बिल्कुल कंटिन्यू रखा था. ठीक है, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. सो नाउ in the last, what happened, the British have to uh, bow before the Indians. जब from all part of the country, ठीक है, from all part of the country, when the people continue this movement, that is the Quit India movement. So in the last it become very difficult for the British people to control the freedom struggle of the Indians. So now they bow in front of the Indians and finally they decided to leave the country. Is it clear? And finally they decided to leave the country. Note down the answer. In 1942, Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement. Demanding complete freedom demanding complete freedom for India. He asked people to do or die. What does it mean? It means करो या मरो. In their attempt to throw the British out of the country. The British finally bowed before the Indian. And they agreed and they agreed to leave India. Okay. So student, in 1942, Gandhiji launched the Quit India movement, demanding complete freedom for country. Okay, he asked people to do or die, करो या मरो, in their attempt to throw the British out of the country. Okay, the British finally bowed before the Indians and they agreed to leave India. So you can take a screenshot also. Now the last question of the chapter 19. Our freedom. Question 3. Our freedom. Our freedom came with a heavy price. Explain. So it is true to say that, student, that our freedom came with a heavy price, because many people lost their life. They sacrificed their life for the freedom of their country. Okay, and people from all the caste, whether that they are belonging to any caste, religions, they come together and fight for the freedom of our country. And as I discussed in the earlier question also, कि that the British, they are so easily they give freedom to our country. So answer is no. ठीक है, so in many parts of the country, to control the peoples of India, those who are following the movements, many people die because they also do lot of violence. ठीक है, इंडिया के बहुत पार्ट्स ऑफ कंट्री में बहुत सी वायलेंस भी हुई थी, बहुत लोग आपस लोगों को फायरिंग की थी ब्रिटिश पीपल्स ने इंडियन क्राउड्स पे, तो ऐसे में भी बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी. ठीक है, और इंडियंस जो थे वो पीसफुली फाइट कर रहे थे अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश. सो इन दिस फ्रीडम फाइट, all the peoples, whether they belonging to any religion, caste, they all stand together for the freedom of their country. Okay, so in this way we get the freedom from the British rule, and lot of people sacrifice their life for the freedom of our country. So note down the answer. Our freedom came with a heavy price, as many people led their life to achieve the freedom. People from different caste, people from different caste religions came together in the freedom fight. It was a saga of sacrifice, patience, and remarkable unity among the groups the struggle was the struggle was an unique example as it was non-violent. And peaceful. Okay, the sacrifice finally led to the grant of independence. So Student, our freedom came with a heavy price as many people led their life to achieve the freedom. People from different castes, religion came together in the freedom fight. It was a saga of sacrifice, patience, and remarkable unity among the groups. The struggle was an unique example as it was non-violent and peaceful. The sacrifice finally led to the grant of independence. Okay, you can take a screenshot also. Okay, thank you, student.